Adam here with a simple and fast review of the GUYAAC brand decorative AC line cover kit. We're going to open it up, show you what it's like, and let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Alright, so as you start to get pieces out of the box here, you'll find a lot of pieces that will kind of work together here. You'll also have kind of your instructions on how to put it all together. More pieces. A lot of zip ties. So what you'll want to do is follow your instruction manual. Again, you'll have all the associated screws and everything like that, and then depending on how you need to set it up, how to bend it and line things up, you're going to have all the parts and pieces that are really a hard, solid PVC here, which is really nice. They're flexible pieces. Again, if you need to bend and go around corners or turns or anything like that, and as well as this will just kind of insert very easily, as you can tell. And then again, these pieces will kind of insert into there. Already some screws to keep this together. This can kind of get screwed in to seal, all those different things. So anything that doesn't necessarily screw in, you got your zip ties. So a really nice pack here, totally worth buying. I highly recommend you follow your instructions to make sure you know exactly what you're doing. If you don't already know, this will allow you to kind of use this all properly, and to me, again, this will be able to come together from the top, hooking into this. Very nice. So totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.